If your washing machine is overflowing or water continues to fill the tub even when the appliance is unplugged, low water pressure or a restriction in the water inlet valve could be preventing the valve from shutting off all the way. The washer's water inlet valve needs water pressure between 20 and 120 pounds per square inch to function properly. If the pressure is too low, the valve may not close, and water can trickle into the tub when the washer is not in use. To help determine if your home has sufficient water pressure, you can simply open a kitchen faucet and observe whether or not there is a strong water flow. You can also shut off the water supply to the washer, disconnect the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve, and hold them over a bucket or the laundry tub. Now turn the water supply back on and observe whether or not there is a strong flow of water jetting out of the lines. A weak flow indicates low water pressure, which could be caused by a problem with the water supply lines or valves. However, if the water flow coming out of the supply lines is strong, then the overflow problem is probably caused by an obstruction in the inlet valve or a defective valve solenoid. You can use a multimeter to test one or more of the water inlet valve solenoids for electrical continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the component. If the solenoid tests negative for electrical continuity, you'll know the part is defective and the valve will need to be replaced. An obstructed valve will need to be replaced as well. Trying to clean out an obstruction from an inlet valve is not recommended, as this will increase the chances of the part failing.